We hear a lot about journaling, people writing down their thoughts. For the past 6 months, many people have been dealing with uncertainty from stay-at-home orders, closed schools and businesses, an unstable economy, and social unrest, and the list just goes on. So journaling is a suggested way to handle stress, but how does it really help you? That's what Blanca Cobb and I are talking about this morning. Good morning, Blanca. Let's go ahead and jump right in. How does journaling help your emotional stress?
That's a great question, Stacy. So what happens is you're transferring any negative feelings, emotions, thoughts, problems from your mind to paper if you're writing, or to your computer if you're typing. So it's that transference. And actually the University of Rochester Medical Center, what they have found is that it helps you manage those feelings of depression and anxiety.
So what exactly does it have on your stress level?
Well, Michigan State University, they were talking about a study where they were talking about a study that studied chronically ill patients who had asthma and arthritis. So the patients who journaled for 20 minutes a day reported decreased feelings of stress.
And does journaling have an impact on your physical health?
It does. It does. So what happens is when you're starting to writing and you're getting all that negativity out, people who have had problems, like if they had a stomach ache or they weren't feeling well, it's releasing that anxiety because they'll be able to see their thoughts and their feelings on paper or on the computer. And then they just don't report as many physical symptoms. It's like if you have all this angst inside of you and you're able to release it, and it just helps you feel better. A lot of times, think about it, it's almost as if you're talking to a friend, but you're really writing it or you're putting it on a computer. It's that same type of process, except you're actually writing versus talking.
Yeah, I like the thought that, you're transferring it over to something else so it's no longer, with you and weighing on you. Blanca, thank you so much. She'll be back in the next hour of the Good Morning Show to talk about how to journal, but you can continue this conversation with her on our Facebook page. Just search Blanca Cobb, body language expert. We'll be back with more of the Good Morning Show right after this break.